The TCL Note A1 with NXTPAPER technology is an exceptionally well-thought-out device that delivers a uniquely comfortable, immersive, and user-friendly experience, making it stand out as a smart and refreshing choice for modern users who spend long hours reading, scrolling, studying, or consuming content. What truly defines this product is the innovative NXTPAPER display, which offers a paper-like visual experience that significantly reduces glare, harsh reflections, and eye strain without sacrificing clarity or color accuracy. Unlike traditional screens that can feel tiring after extended use, this display feels soft, natural, and easy on the eyes, making it ideal for students, professionals, and anyone who values visual comfort during long sessions of reading documents, browsing the web, or enjoying digital content. The screen remains clear and readable even in bright environments, which adds to its practicality and everyday usability. Beyond the display, the device itself feels well-crafted, lightweight, and comfortably balanced in the hand, reflecting TCL's attention to design and ergonomics. Daily performance is smooth and dependable, handling multitasking, note-taking, content streaming, and casual productivity tasks with ease and consistency, ensuring a frustration-free experience. The user interface is clean, intuitive, and responsive, allowing users to navigate effortlessly and stay focused on what matters most. Battery life is another strong point, offering long-lasting endurance that supports full-day use without frequent recharging, which adds to the device's reliability and convenience. Audio and visual performance complement each other well, creating a pleasant environment for learning, entertainment, and everyday use. Overall, the TCL Note A1 NXTPAPER feels thoughtfully engineered to enhance digital comfort and usability, combining eye-friendly technology, solid performance, and practical design into one cohesive product that delivers outstanding value and a genuinely enjoyable experience for users seeking both comfort and functionality in their daily digital interactions.